Motive to stay living. The psychologist Abraham Maslow said that the most important motive for the human being is to stay alive. The motive to stay alive forces you to fulfill your necessities such as food, water, and air. If you lack one of these most important necessities, there will be a motive to warn you about the lack. Once you fulfill the lack, your body will go back to its normal state. Now let me ask you a question, my dear student. If a big trailer comes your way while you are walking, what would you do? Wouldn't you try to run away quickly so it won't hit you? So you can stay alive? What if one day you decide to go home since you are tired and you decide to lie down and relax? However, suddenly you hear someone shout, "Fire! Fire!" What would you do? Of course you will leave your house quickly, right? But let me ask you a question. From where did you get this high energy, since you were just tired and didn't have any energy before? Now imagine if you have this kind of motivation at all times. Wouldn't you be more effective at doing whatever you want to do? Wouldn't you be more effective running your own business? Wouldn't you be more effective in taking charge of your health? Wouldn't you be more effective in dealing passionately with your family and spouse?